Professor Unutmaz, we still don't know how this pathogen is killing us. Now, here's the problem. Last time when I had you on my program, we had a discussion about its genetic, formation, that it's an RNA virus, it does mutate, but while it's unstable, like all viruses are, it's not shown too much mutation. Now, if that is correct, why is it that we still cannot figure out how this is killing us?
Yeah, so that's a really important question. Actually, just yesterday, a report came out from autopsies done in U.S. That many of the patients were actually dying from coagulation or thrombosis, the blockage of the arteries, strokes. These are not typical reasons to die from a respiratory disease or infection. Initially, it was told it was just pneumonia damaging the lungs, and that's causing respiratory distress and so on. So I think the part of the problem is that we're comparing this virus to, for example, influenza or other respiratory viruses. But this virus has much higher so-called tropism. In other words, it's able to infect many other cell types other than the lung tissue. The reason why there's probably this thrombosis or heart problems is because it might be infecting the endothelial cells, the cells that form the structure of the vasculature, the veins and the arteries. It can infect the cells in the gut, in your intestines. That's why we're seeing a lot of symptoms like diarrhea and gastrointestinal problems. Children are having some very weird inflammatory disease that's been recorded recently in the U.S. and Europe. That could be because, again, this vasculature problem, inflammation happens, the response to the immune system to that. So there's all kinds of things. The brain is involved.